To track DeFi positions in Debank, start by understanding what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a comprehensive DeFi portfolio tracker that allows users to monitor their decentralized finance investments across multiple blockchains and protocols. First, navigate to the Debank website and click on the Connect Wallet button to link your digital wallet. This will allow Debank to access your DeFi positions and display them in a user-friendly interface. Once connected, you will see an overview of your DeFi portfolio, including the total value of your assets, the balance of each asset, and the current price. You can also view your portfolio's performance over time, including profit and loss statements. To track specific DeFi positions, click on the Portfolio tab and select the protocol you want to view. For example, if you have invested in a liquidity pool on Uniswap, select Uniswap from the list of protocols. Debank will then display the details of your position, including the assets you have invested, the current value of your investment, and any outstanding debt or rewards. Debank also provides a feature to track your DeFi positions across multiple chains, allowing you to monitor your investments on different blockchains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. This is particularly useful for investors who have diversified their DeFi investments across multiple protocols and chains. To get the most out of Debank, it is essential to understand the different metrics and data points provided. For example, the total value locked metric shows the total value of assets locked in a particular protocol, while the annual percentage yield metric shows the expected return on investment for a particular position. Best practices for using Debank include regularly monitoring your DeFi positions, adjusting your portfolio as needed, and using the data and insights provided by Debank to inform your investment decisions. By following these steps and using Debank effectively, you can gain a better understanding of your DeFi investments and make more informed decisions about your portfolio.